Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the info card of Blue Brick Sparrow in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and at this event you can bird watching blue any special birds like this. One of them is Blue Brick Sparrow that has a blue color, and then it has a brick body like this. I think it's so unique and it's so beautiful. And to get this info card of this bird, it's very easy. First, just go to the Onsen Mountain, more precisely at the onsen area, and it will spawn all time, almost all weather at the sunny, rainy, or rainbow. So just go to the onsen area over here. Just go to this area, and then walk around until you found this Blue Brick Sparrow, and then just equip your scanner, and then just bird watching it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.